Hi friends, today we are talking about the wall moldings, a technique that can give your home a luxurious and trendy look on a budget. So if you want your home to look stunning without spending too much, this video is for you. I will guide you on how to get a wall molding done, which materials to choose, the cost involved, and the mistakes to avoid to prevent the cracks. So let's get started. So let me understand that what is the wall molding. A wall molding is a design technique where patterns are created on walls like you can see in this video using specific materials. It gives your homes a royal and classic look. The best part is that it's not too much expensive. With the right materials and designs you can achieve a luxurious look on your low budget. So friends, now we're going to discuss that which are the best material to choose for the wall moldings. There are several materials available for moldings, but I will tell about the two best options. First one is hdhmr, which we call the high density high moisture resistant. So it is my personal favorite. It costs almost 40 to 45 rupees per running feet and it offers excellent finishing. Another material which is its solid wood. This is the oldest and most classic options. It costs around 10 to 12 rupees per running feet. It's durable but can be a bit pricey. And there are other options also like WPC, charcoals, MDF, but I don't recommend them because their finishing and durability aren't good. So friends, my pro tip is that if your budget is not an issue, go with the hdhmr, and if you are on a tight in a budget, so choose the solid wood. Well, now I'm going to tell you the right size and the designs. The beauty of wall molding depends upon the right size and designs. So for the width, keep it between 20 to 30 mm. Anything more or less may not look as good, and the thickness should be stick to 12 to 18 mm. And for trendy designs, simple and evergreens look stunning on walls like square, rectangle shapes like you can see in this video. Another designs is the crown molding, which gives you a royal look, especially for the living rooms. And another one is the geometrics, a mix of modern and classic. So friends, if you're not hiring an interior designer, take inspirations from this my video. You will get the idea which are the best molding designs and what is the price, which are the best materials. So there are the three popular designs are available. First one is the modern look, which comes in square shapes, rectangle shapes. Another one is the luxury look, which comes in multiple designs in the moldings like you can see. And third one is the geometrics pattern. Stick to one of these three designs. And for spacing and scaling the moldings, because it is critical for wall moldings, incorrect space can ruin the entire look. So first is keep 6 to 7 inch gap between the moldings for a clean and professional look, and always check the designs for spacing. Like you can see in this video, there are beautiful designs are available. And now we will going to discuss about the installation process. So first process is the cutting. So cut the molding at 45-degree angle because incorrect cuts can lead to cracks at joints. And my pro tip is hire a professional carpenter experience in wall moldings. Another material is adhesive. Use the high quality adhesive like Fevicol to stick the moldings. Third one is the nailing. Place the nails every 1 foot, ensuring they go deep enough to avoid the cracks. Fourth one is wooden filler. Apply the wooden filler wherever nails are used. And after the last step is putty and sanding. Use the chalk based putty, then sand with 120, 220, 320 grit sandpaper. This is the process for installing the wall moldings. And after that we have to do the finishing and painting. So first we have to do the painting to keep the wall and molding colors the same, like pastel or dark shades like you can see in this video, which works the best. And use Asian royal paint with a matte finish. It is slightly expensive but gives a stunning look. So now we will break down the cost. So for hdhmr material, the price per 6 foot it will cost almost 180 to 300 rupees, and for solid wood it will cost 10 to 12 rupees per running feet, and for installation per running feet it will cost almost 50 to 60 rupees, and for carpenter charges 30 to 40 rupees per piece, and for paint and polish around it will cost almost 110 rupees per piece. So friends, I will tell one advanced tip that how to save the money while designing the moldings. First, buy the materials yourself to cut the cost. Use solid wood or pine wood which are available from 10 to 12 rupees per running feet. Avoid the overlay complex designs as they can be more expensive. Friends, overall the price for wall molding designs it will cost almost 50 to 55 rupees per running feet, including materials, installation and paint. Everything it is included. So friends, now you know that how to give your home a luxurious look with wall moldings on a budget. With the right material, designs and installations, your look will look trendy and stunning. So friends, if you like this video, then please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again. So friends, if you have still any question, drop your questions in the comment box and I will answer them. See you in the next video. Thank you.